that study, ye karo, wo karo. It was not a burden for me. It was something I enjoyed. It was quite practical.
The thing is that when you're learning out of a textbook, the points are given to you. So you have to basically mug it up and that's it. There's nothing more to it. But in this case, through activities or through our own personal experiences, we came up with the points ourselves. We gave in the input. So because of that, it was easier for us to understand, easier for us to relate, and finally in the implementation of the project, that was also very easy.
I came to know a lot about myself. You know, those sessions which were meant for, you know, dreaming thing and then drawing on your dreams and then your relationships and all that, and then those ringtone sessions, and then, you know, you get to learn a lot about, you know, about yourself and what are your good points, probably what are your bad points.
We did costing. I think the costing session and the marketing session was a real eye-opener. And in the beginning we did a lot of risk analysis and demand, feasibility study, and all that really helped in deciding how I should handle the business.
Blackboard classes are never fun, trust me, and we be like getting that throughout our school life and college life, because that's the way classes are normally taken, and this is very different. This is what made it fun. Like the games we used to play, like right now we played the Matrix game, that was very interesting, and whatever it was, we were taught things in a very fun. That is what I like. We enjoyed it. It didn't feel like a proper class or a workshop.
Methodology, in fact, was the thing that helped us. I mean, it made it enjoyable. I mean, you can do things in different ways. It could have turned out to be pretty boring, but it wasn't. I mean, we really enjoyed the sessions and all.
मैंने स्टूडेंट से बहुत चीज़ें सीखी, जैसे बिजनेस प्लान पूरा बनाया मैंने, लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट में डॉग क्रच बनाया, जिसमें डॉग्स को जैसे कोई जाता था बाहर, तो हमारे यहाँ से डॉग्स छोड़ चला जाता था, उसको हम पूरी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते थे, जैसे फूड, नहाना, सब कुछ, सब ट्रेनिंग देते थे. और मुझे यहाँ पे
My life project was like fitting this sweatshirt printed for my college. At point I was like, forget it, it just थोड़ा बहुत होगा, बाकी सब छोड़ देते, कुछ नहीं होगा. Then no, I have to work it out. Then things started coming up, and then finally came up. It's good.
What did you do?
लग रहा था स्टेज पे इतना कुछ करना मतलब पॉसिबल नहीं है अभी हमारे लिए. अभी मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ, बीकॉम कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नहीं है, बट जैसे जैसे टीचर इंस्पायर करते गए तो थोड़ा बहुत वो स्पार्क अंदर आती थी कि हो जाएगा, करेंगे, पर बाद में फिर स्पार्क चली जाती है. ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी बाद में.
And this program made me very confident in terms of business, because our family used to own a plantation, and now due to certain circumstances coffee has no future, and therefore we've shifted into tourism, and we're just experimenting by converting one of our houses in the plantation into a resort. So I thought I'll work on that idea and try and develop it further. Although we have started it already, I got some good insights into how to market, how to cost, and how to basically price the service.
This thing did not go that well, but it's like we started off with something related with cars. We were getting these children from an NGO to make cars, and we plan to sell them to our friends and everything, and share the profit between ourselves and the NGO. But it didn't work out, and my partners, they backed off, and even I wasn't so keen on it, so it didn't work out that well. Being more on the personal side, as in, I think I don't really have that entrepreneurship skill, something what do you call it? I don't think I'm into the business side. That is one thing.
My life project is actually about conducting psychological tests on students, especially in my hometown, Kota, where there are a lot of coaching institutes available for AIEEE, PMT and IIT. The students there need counseling. They need somebody to tell them about their personalities, about their IQ, so that they know what career options are good for them. Me being a psychology graduate, I had this in my mind, but I never got the exposure to convert it into a business plan. When I joined EOT, then I got this opportunity of Life Project where I could go back to my hometown, do this practically on the students there, see the response which was positive from their side.
I have benefited a lot, and this has, made me see the other side of me, the side that can take risks, that has the confidence to go out and try out different things. And I've learned that life is about experimenting and learning from your mistakes as well. And it is completely okay to fail, because only when you initiate something and you last out till the end do you feel proud of yourself as well, even if you've made a few mistakes. It's okay.
Joining this college, but somehow seeing everybody here, they all seem to be toppers. Well, I thought I should have an edge over them, so that's why I joined this Entrepreneurs of Tomorrow program.
That from 2-3 sessions we are doing the same thing. We got bored. In fact, some students said that यार ये तो सब time pass है, boring है. So that was the, I think, main thing that turned me around the course and behind the logic. I was going to my home and I was thinking again, कुछ तो logic होगा यार. Are these people mad? ये लोग पागल नहीं हैं.